Hello everyone and welcome back again to ASC Right to Vlogs. At kung nakikita nyo, nagpapakulo po tayo ng macaroni because we'll be making a Sudapin Filipino style macaroni with my pinsan of course, and shout out Jennifer Sugoy na siya pong kasama ko ngayon gumagawa nito. And of course matapos natin pakuluan guys, i-drain natin din palalambigin habang hinahanda natin ang mga sangkap natin gagamitin like our Nestle cream and the cheese, the nata de coco, we have the raisins, the milk, at kung ano pa mga gusto nating ilalagay sa ating macaroni. And we call it a Sudapin Macaroni Filipino style, so may gatas po yan. And we decided to have a white macaroni pero with a twist yan mamaya. And ayan, lumamig na po siya guys. So kapag pinapakuluan pala natin ang ating macaroni, don't forget to put an oil in it and of course a salt to taste. And then yung oil purposely is para hindi magkadikit-dikit, kasi kapag walang oil, hindi lang ganyan ang dikit-dikit na main counter nyo on your macaroni pasta, but malala pa dyan. But with the oil, it can help. Anyway, not much. So andoon naman sa package ng ating macaroni pasta, just follow the instruction in there. So para maiwasan na madurog yung ating macaroni, so what we have to do is ilagay nyo muna lahat ng mga ingredients. Like now, my pinsan Jennifer Sugoy is putting now the Nestle cream, and of course malata man yan or kaya carton man yan, basta Nestle cream, yun na yun guys. And then i-add nyo na rin yung milk. And look at guys, the ingredients of this food, though it's delicious, but it's not advisable to have it every time because tingnan nyo naman yung sweets plus the fats. So pwede talaga natin tawagin it's unhealthy, but it's really yummy. So occasional, it's okay. And then ilagay na rin natin ating mayonnaise, and basta wag nyo munang haluin ng haluin kasi iwas durog tayo sa ating mga pasta. So better, the technique ng Sudapin macaroni is ilagay muna natin lahat ng mga ingredients. So right now, Jennifer Sugoy, insan ko po yan, and you can call her Dindin, is enjoying adding all the ingredients and putting now the cheese. So pagdating sa cheese guys, we opted to have it in cubes, and purpose in there is para pagkain natin ng ating Sudapin macaroni is may machuchu tayo at mananamnaman natin yung cheese rather than i-grate natin. Much better itong cubes. And one thing is, pagkainin nyo lang naman, hindi for business, huwag nyo nang tipirin sa ingredients. Lagyan nyo na ng tamang sukat o dagdagan ng konti para mas masarap. So we are now adding the white nata de coco, and if your option is to add like the yellow, the green, the red, so it's your choice guys. But for Sudapin macaroni, we supposedly to have it in white, but the twist is now have the raisins because I really requested my insan Dindin to put this one kasi nga paborito ko po talaga ang raisins. So dahil mahal ako na aking pinsan, so of course pumayag naman siya na masira yung kanyang plano to have just a white macaroni. And you can add white kaong or anything white. And then of course patapos paghaluin yan, ilalagay natin into a bowl na malalagyan natin ng plastic wrap. Nang sa ganon, i-refrigerate muna natin at palamigin, and then after lumamig of course, alam nyo na ang susunod, kainan na this. And thank you really for watching. I hope you have to do this in your house. Sudapin macaroni.